everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little magic into your everyday. Today is a magical menu recipe. We are going to be making a peanut butter and jelly milkshake from the 50s primetime cafe in Hollywood Studios, Walt Disney World. So I've actually Disney World. We really miss Disney World, don't we? I've never had this milkshake, and neither have you, right? No? Okay. But we're hoping to try it the next time we go. Right here of all the ingredients that you will need to make this recipe. For our milkshake supplies, we are using peanut butter, strawberry jam, you can also use grape, milk, ice cream, and it should be vanilla to get those really delicious peanut butter and jelly flavors. And then on top, we're gonna be adding some whipped cream, some sprinkles, and we're gonna be using this glass and 2 straws to share. So this is all you need. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hello? Stand up. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put everything into our blender and we'll show you what we're doing along the way. I'm gonna grab a spoon.
And
We're gonna start with the peanut butter. Do you wanna hold up the peanut butter?
peanut butter.
Peanut butter. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons
Can you
of
put
peanut
some
butter.
in my mouth? Spoon.
Oh, I do like peanut butter.
Yum.
Yum. It's gonna make it extra creamy.
No.
Sorry about that noise. Do you wanna get the next ingredient ready?
What?
Do you wanna get the next ingredient ready? It's jelly.
You definitely need strawberry jelly.
Or grape.
Yeah. Or whipped cream.
We're
I
gonna
do
do
not. I do not want whipped cream on top of mine.
You don't? Oh, I thought it would look so pretty with whipped cream on top. I'm surprised by that. How come?
I wanted it to go inside.
No, the whipped cream goes on top. 2 tablespoons of jelly. Now you also can substitute 2 cups of sliced strawberries for this as well. I'm making a little yummy mess over here, right? Doesn't that look like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yeah.
All right, I need you to scooch back a little. Callie, stand here. We're gonna do 2 cups. What kind of ice cream is this?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Will you tell me when I've gotten to a cup?
Got into a cup.
Almost.
2 cups.
So this is a serving for 1.
You said 2 cups.
Well, this is only 1 cup. Plop, plop. So basically like 3 scoops. This is allegedly a 1-person serving. 2 cups of ice cream. Feels like a lot for 1 person, don't you think?
Relax. Ice cream. Ice cream.
You're just eating all the ingredients like you did when we made the blueberry pie.
Yep.
We've been cooking a lot this week, as I'm sure you've seen here on our channel and on Instagram. So Callie has just really been enjoying the ingredients, right? Baraka. And it's 1/4 of a cup of milk.
Yay, cup. Is it going to be all the way to...
Oh, definitely not, no. That's kind of it.
What?
You ready? Are you ready to blend? Okay, let me move the...
I'm scared of the loud
You're
noise.
scared of the loud noise?
Yeah.
Take a peek.
Take a peek. Take a peek.
Smells like peanut butter, doesn't it? I'm gonna scoop some of the peanut butter down.
Yeah.
Well, it smells like peanut butter with our forky.
Yeah, I got this from the Easter Bunny.
All right, let's make sure all the ingredients are pushed down. You want a little taste?
Ugh.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
jam.
Awesome.
All right, let's
Can
just
I get
blend
our
it a little bit
cups?
longer. I have our cup.
We're so interrupting. I want some sprinkles.
We're gonna put sprinkles on top.
Yay.
Okay, so we did have to blend our ingredients down a little bit. It's not as thick as I thought it was gonna be. Are you ready to watch the pour out?
It's gonna be to the top.
Nope, I'm gonna add whipped cream to the top.
Yay.
Okay,
We're gonna
So,
share, right?
yeah,
It
of course.
smells horrible.
It doesn't smell horrible. It smells like peanut butter. So you can see that it's like pretty liquidy. Maybe, sorry. Want some? Let's add
I love this.
some whipped cream.
Yay, sprinkle.
Okay. Okay, we've taken some pictures of our delightful peanut butter and jelly milkshake. You wanna put your straw in first?
Yeah.
Yeah, wanna put my straw in?
It's like ears.
Those look like ears. Are you ready for the taste test?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
I love it.
You love it. Tastes kind of like a yummy peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes.
It looks like ears.
The perfect summertime cool-off snack, right?
Actually, I wanted to steal one for you.
Trade.
Bye.
Wait. Here, you hold it. You hold it. I'm gonna get a video of you drinking at the end. Thank you so much for joining us this
Bye.
week for our peanut butter and jelly 50s primetime cafe milkshake extravaganza. Gets the thumbs up from Callie Doodles. She sure likes it. No, she sure likes it. We'll see you next time on the Fairy Tale Family. Bye, friends.